Hi everyone, this is Firoz here from Magnifez IT Solutions. So in this video, I'm going to talk about configuring auto numbering in Dynamics 365. We'll also see how we can set up them for one of the record. So auto numbering is available in Dynamics 365 for basically 9 entities such as calls, orders, invoices, campaign, knowledge base, attitude, etc. So for these 9 entities, it is already set in a particular format and you can utilize them or you can configure them as a system admin. So apart from these 9 entities, if you want to configure for any other entity such as accounts or contacts or opportunities, you have to set up a custom logic for that. We can hope that in the future releases, Microsoft must come up with something, some functionality using which we can set up auto numbering for other generic entities as well. So let's have a look at how we can set up auto numbering for some of the system entities. So let's navigate to Sales, Settings and Administration. Go to auto numbering. So here you can see the 9 entities for which you can configure the auto numbering. So only for these 9 entities we can configure it. So that's a limitation as of today. So if I just navigate to codes tab over here, I can see a prefix over here such as QUO, and there is a number that I cannot change. Then there is a suffix length 4, 5 or 6 digits. So out of this prefix as well as the suffix length I can change, I can configure it. You can also see the preview over here. So in this format, the record will be created in the system. I'm not going to change anything for now. Let's just try to access one code record and see how this will work. So let me open code record. So here you can see a code ID mentioned over here. You can see the prefix, suffix length, everything is here. So here you can see the code ID and the revision ID is locked. That means I can enter it manually. Code ID you already understand, and the revision ID is each time whenever you just create and revise one, this revision ID will change. The code ID will not change, but the revision ID will change. So let me just give a name over here. Just select a customer over here. I just save the record. Save it. This time is saved, and a new code is created with the name code for new. You can see it here in the same format. So it's work. So now if I want to make any changes to this auto numbering, for example, I'm just going to change it to QT, then the suffix length I'm going to change to 6 digits. So they're showing a message. Let's click OK. So we just set that. Just save it. So you can see that it is changed to QT, then the rest of the format and the suffix is length of 6 digits. So that is it. Is the same way you can just configure any other. So in the code record we just talk about how the revision IDs work. So we will talk more how we can just create codes, activate them. So there we'll be talking about the revision ID also in detail. For now it is just about auto numbering and how we can configure 9 entities over here. So I hope this video has helped you. And if you have any comments or suggestion to make, please go to the comment section and mention that. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.